All right, question number 52, let's get right into it. So we have, what is the 275th digit after the decimal point and the repeating decimal 0.6295 repeating? All right, guys, so some of you might be thinking, I have no idea how to do this, where to even start. So let's just go ahead and start by writing out what we know. So we know that this has to be equivalent to the following value, and let me just go ahead and write out a few iterations. So it's going to look like this: 0.6295, 6295, 6295, 6295, etc. All right. So what you'll notice is that every time that we, I guess you can say, walk over 4 times. So if I go from here and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, I end up with the same number that what I started with. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is recognize if I have to walk over 4 terms, that's kind of like saying I'm going to divide 275 by 4. So I want to figure out how many walks we're getting from this. So I'm going to end up with, actually, this is not a clean value, okay, so that's important. I'm going to get a decimal here. But actually, I don't want a decimal. I want to get a remainder. So I'm going to do this manually, and let me show you why. So 275, if I divide that by 4, I'm going to get 6 here, and then 4 goes into 35 8 times. So I'm going to get 32, and I'm going to have a remainder of 3, okay? So I'm going to get 68R3. Now, what does that remainder tell me? So so basically what it says is that we're walking 4 times over 68 times. Okay, so let's say I'm on my 68th time here. So I just end, it's ... at 5, right? And then it's 6295, repeating, right? So I ended here with 68, but I don't get 69 walks, right? I get only 68 with a remainder of 3. So instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, now I've done 68 walks 4, I'm actually only going to go 1, 2, 3, okay? So that's where that remainder comes in, because instead of going 4, I go 3 over. So it's going to be 9 as our 275th digit. So whenever I go ahead and look at the answer choices, that has to be answer choice K. All right, guys, so that might have been a little bit confusing, but I think conceptually you should kind of see what I'm getting at here. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you guys in that next video.